Students, today we will do question number 4 of exercise 6.5. Now question number 4, that is sum number A of question number 4. What they are saying, that they have given the dimension of three sides, 2.5 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter and 6 centimeter, and they are asking that whether these dimensions are the sides of right angle. Okay, for that the first thing that you have to do is you have to find the square of each side. That is 2.5 would be 6.25. Now what is the square of this? It will be 42.25. And what is the square of this? This would be 36. Okay, now you have to see that the sum of any two sides is equals to any other side, third side. So you see that if I add this two, okay, if I add 6.25 plus 36, what will we get? 42.25. So it's matching with this, isn't it? So if it happens like this, that if you add any two sides, okay, and if you get the sum which is similar to the third side, okay, then it would be then this all sides are the sides of right angle triangle. So you will say the statement is true. Okay, so this is how you have to check whether the dimensions which are given are the sides of right angle or not. The first step that you have to do, you have to do the square of all the sides they have given. Then you have to see whether if the sum of any two sides is equal to the third side or not. Okay, if it happens, then they are the sides of a right angle triangle, and if it doesn't happen, then they are not the sides of right angle triangle. Let's check out the second one, that is B. The dimensions given is 2 centimeter, comma 2 centimeter, comma 5 centimeter. So we'll get the square of each side. 2 square is what? 4. 2 square is what? 4. And 5 square is what? 25. Now you see, anyhow you do, if you add this and this, what will 8? 8 is not equal to 25. Now if I add 4 plus 25, 29, so it's not matching with this. So in this case you see there is no combination which satisfies the third side. Okay, so we will write that 2 square plus 2 square is not equals to 25, or any combination you can. Fine, so it's false. So these are not the sides of right angle triangle. So this is how exactly you have to do. Okay, so very easy. Now let's move on to sum number 5. Now this is question number 5. Don't be surprised that I have drawn one tree, but question number 4 is related with this tree only. See what they have said: a tree is broken at a height of 5 meter. Now suppose this is the height. Okay, this is the height 5 meter. Okay, now suddenly what happens? Tree breaks it from here and falls down here. Okay, falls down here. Right? Now it break down and it fell down like this. Now if you carefully observe, then this is one of the right angle triangle like this, isn't it? This is 5 meter part of the tree, and this is the rest part of the tree. Okay, rest part of the tree. Now what they are asking, when it fell down, its top touches the ground, and the distance and the ground at a distance of 12 meter from the base of the tree. That is, this is 12 meter far from the base of the tree. That is, the distance of base of the tree and the top of the tree is 12 meter. So now what they are asking, find the original height of the tree. So original height of the tree means we have to get the whole height. We already know up till this much, that is 5 meter. If we know this part, that is, if we know this part, then we can add this part and this part to get the original height of the tree, isn't it? So we'll get this part first, x. So this we can use Pythagoras theorem. So you will write, using Pythagoras theorem, So this is 90 degree. So opposite to 90 degree is always hypotenuse. So x square equals to 5 square plus 12 square. So x square equals to 25 plus 144. So it will come 169. Now x square equals to 13 square. Now what is the value of x? X is 13, isn't it? Now if x is 13, so what is the total height then? Therefore the original height you can write, therefore the original height of the tree is equals to this 5 meter and this 13 meter also. Understood? This is 13 meter. So this is the rest part of the tree, and this was already given. If we add this 2, then we can get the total height of the tree, isn't it? So 5 meter plus 13 meter. So it is 18 meter. So the original height of the tree is 18 meter. Okay, students? Now let's move on to question number 6. Now in question number 6, it is a sort of a multiple choice question. So they have given one particular triangle where the 2 angles measurement is given. Now this angle measurement is not given. The first thing that we'll do is we will get the value of this angle, and then we'll see the options which are given, the 3 options which are given. Out of these 3 options, which option is correct? Okay, so first of all we'll get the value of this angle P. Now we'll write in triangle PQR, angle P plus angle Q plus angle R equals to 180 degree. Why? This is an angle sum property, isn't it? Angle sum property of a triangle. So you will always write the reason. Now angle P we do not know. Angle Q is given 25 degree. Angle R is given 65 degree, 180 degree. So angle P is 90 degree equals to 180 degree. Now we have to remove this 90 degree. What we'll do? Yes, we will subtract 90 degree. So the same thing we'll do it on the right hand side also. So angle P is equals to 90 degree. Now this is 90 degree, students. Okay, now remember that opposite to 90 degree is what? Hypotenuse. Always the side which is opposite to the 90 degree is hypotenuse. So we can write the formula as QR square. So this is hypotenuse equals to QP square plus PR square. Okay, so this is the option which is right. This is, I guess, option number 2. Okay, so this is how you have to do question number 6. So today's assignment is question number 4, question number 5 and question number 6. Thank you and take care.